love our customers here at Island Pacific Santa Clarita because they are the most important visitors in our premises. They are the major part of our business and they're doing us a favor by giving us opportunity to serve them at our best. Gin hihugugma namon kamo tanan.
Hola, recuerden que vamos a nuestros clientes. Gracias por su lealtad a Island Pacific. Que pasen un feliz día de San Valentín. Gracias.
We love our customer here at Pilao Santa Clarita because they make our day every day. Our customer trusts us to provide good service. Kaluguran na kayo.
Dito sa Island Pacific National City. Mahal namin kayo!
Here at Island Pacific, we love our customers because they treat us like friends. They share their stories and we love to listen. Me gusta hablar con ellos. Nos vemos pronto.
We love our customers because they are the reason why our business exists. They have been loyal with us all through the years. Happy Valentine's!
Our customers are the most important people in our business. We wouldn't be here if we weren't for you. So from the bottom of our hearts, thank you so much and we love you.
Ay atenda kayo, agyaman kami.
Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan, mahal mo namo.
Muchas gracias, los queremos.
Here at Island Pacific Tropicana, we love our customers. Happy Valentine's Day!
Mahal namin kayo lahat.
Embag nga aldaw, Island Pacific Health Group. Kasta unay tiyaman mi kanya yung nga customer mi, kaputi kinasayaat nyo. Agyaman kami unay, adyos lagi na, agbyag Island Pacific.
Daghan kayong salamat sa inyong tanan sa pag-ani diri sa Island Pacific Health Group. Mahal namo kamuntanan. Salamat sa inyong tanan.
Hola, estamos aquí en Island Pacific de El Grove. Estamos invitando a todos los customers que vengan, son bienvenidos aquí. Todos los queremos, son bienvenidos a Island Pacific El Grove.
Ito po kami sa Island Pacific El Grove. Ang mga customer po namin ay laging pumupunta rito at sa magandang serbisyo po namin. Kaming mga taga Pilaw at El Grove Grocery, maraming salamat po. Lagi po kayong bumisita sa Island Pacific El Grove.
We love our customers for their loyalty. We love you. Los amamos a todos.